And we are starting our 6th class, and we're going to do a gray background with our Liquitex gray gesso. And I'm just applying it on as evenly as I can, horizontally, vertically, and then after I let it dry, we apply one more layer just to even it out. Next, we will be pulling out some white transfer paper like we did in the last one. And it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to cut it out. We're going to fit it properly to the artboard. And I was just testing it out, making sure that I had it on the right side, because you don't want to accidentally have it on the wrong side and you do all that work and it doesn't work out. So for this one, I added her eyelash shadows, and I kind of extended them off of the eyelash itself because I know that's going to be very important. I don't want to miss out on that one. And of course, highlights, mid-tone shadows, anything big or small, or little anchors to help you know exactly where you are. This was kind of a little bit of a tricky sweater, so I just added a lot of little anchor points, things that I know that I would need a shadow for, or things that I would need a highlight for. It's better to give yourself more information if you know you're going to struggle in a different area. And the only person who's really going to have this information is you. So why not give yourself as much information as you as possible and make your job a lot easier. I don't know about you, but I feel like straight hair is actually a little bit harder than curly hair. Curly hair, you could kind of like fake it a little bit, but straight hair, you have to get it spot on to make it look really shiny. So for this area, I make sure that I really get the highlights in there, and also I don't forget about the shadows that are underneath the hair. Again, we are going to spray our transfer with a fixative, and we will move on to the next step.